Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Just 1 month ago, my mom planted a Aprajita plant from seeds in the vegetable bed. She planted it in the vegetable bed due to the excessive heat waves. But because of the excessive heat waves, our plant has not given any flowers yet. So after repotting, she gave some kinds of liquid fertilizers such as dilute bioenzyme, decomposed, etc. Now I will tell some cure tips to get more blooms on your plants. So first, she is pruning some big climber stems from her plants. This is because they harm the growth of our plant. Not only that, but they also restrict the blooming of flowers. Also, there are many benefits of pruning the plants, as it promotes good plant health, encourages new growth, and also enhances the looks. Also, with this, we do some basic Aprajita plant care, such as giving 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, watering time to time, using well-drained soil, etc. Also, do you know that this plant has many kinds of medicinal benefits? Like it maintains blood sugar levels and also treats many kinds of eye problems. But there is a big problem during this rainy season. That is snail attack. The snails come in rainy season and attack our plants. They do that by making holes in the plants, by which the plant slowly dies. So one fertilizer that you can give to your plant is the eggshell fertilizer. Potassium is also essential for blooming. That's why she is giving banana peels. And during repotting, she gave kitchen waste compost, so it fulfilled most of the micro and macronutrients. Just mix dried banana peels and eggshell powder and then simply give it to the plants. Also, this will prevent the snails, as they cannot walk on these eggshells. Oh, and don't forget, after giving any kind of fertilizers, you must always water your plants. I hope after taking care of our plants like this, we'll get many flowers in our plants. And if we get, we'll make sure to update you all. That's all for today. I hope this video has helped you and you enjoyed today's video. Bye bye.